hope you guys have a great trip. And, oh, one more thing. Could you remind me the code for the door?
Hi. Come here. Hey, are you a good girl? Are you a good girl? Hey, sorry to bother you already. I just can't seem to find the dog food anywhere.
It's not in the fridge cabinet?
No, I checked the cabinet. Checked all the cabinets, actually.
Look in the garage.
The garage?
There should be a box labeled on the top shelf. You've probably noticed we like to label things.
Looking for this?
What's your deal, man? I like dog stuff. Yeah, you can say that again. I like dog stuff. Hey, don't get smart with me. Sorry. Look, I don't care what you're into, but this isn't my house and I need you to stop stealing stuff. So you're gonna bring everything back. That means the tennis ball, the dog food, the toothbrush, the toothpaste, everything. Okay. Do I make myself clear? I'm done. Good.
Sorry.